Let's divide 198 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're dividing 198 by 2. We look at the first digit of 198, which is 1. We can't divide 1 by 2, so we carry over the next digit. We now have 19. How many times does 2 fit into 19? Let's think about our 2 times tables. 2 times 9 is 18, so we write 9 in our quotient. Now we subtract 18 from 19. 19 minus 18 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. While you're doing fantastic, high five. We have a remainder of 1 and one more digit to bring down. Let's move to the next step. We're on step 2. We bring down the next digit 8 next to our remainder 1. Now we have the number 18. We need to figure out how many times 2 goes into 18. Think about your multiplication tables. What number multiplied by 2 gives us 18? That's right, 2 times 9 is 18. We write 9 in our quotient. Let's subtract 18 from 18. That leaves us with 0, no remainder this time. You're crushing it. Keep up the amazing work. We've used all the digits in 198. We're all done with the long division. We're on the last step. We bring down the 8 next to the remainder 1. Now we have the number 18. We need to figure out how many times 2 goes into 18. Let's think about our 2 times tables. What number times 2 equals 18? Yes, it's 9, so we write a 9 in our quotient. Now we subtract 18 from 18, which equals 0. We have no remainder. You've done an incredible job. We're almost there. We've used all the digits and have no remainder. We have successfully divided 198 by 2. So 198 divided by 2 is 99. We did it. We learned how to divide 198 by 2 using long division. Remember, every problem is a chance to shine, just like a math superstar. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division pro in no time. See you in the next video on Let's Stud.